Hello guys, in this video I am going to control 4-way traffic signal. For this, following components are required. LEDs, 4 number of red LEDs, 4 number of yellow LEDs and 4 numbers of green LEDs. Resistors either 220 ohm or 330 ohm 12 pieces for each LED. Arduino UNO board, Arduino USB cable, jumpers and breadboard. These are the components required for this 4-way traffic signal program. I have used 4-way. So first route W1 uses 3 pins 13, 12, 11 in which red LED is attached with 13, yellow is attached with 12 and green is attached with 11. Similarly, in way 2, 10 number pin is attached with red LED, 9 number pin is attached with yellow and 8 number pin is attached with green. In third way or route 3, 7 number pin is attached with red and 6 number pin is attached with yellow and 5 number pin is attached with green. In 4th way or 4th route, 4 number pin is attached with red, 3 number pin is attached with yellow and 2 number pin is attached with green. For this I have used 4 arrays, integer arrays of size 3 each. So this 13 is denoted by W10, 12 is denoted by W11 and 11 number pin is indicated by W1 and similarly for way 2, way 3 and way 4. In setup function, in this first loop, all pins of each way or route are set as output pins. For this I have used this first loop and each ways are set as output. In this second loop, all pins of each way or route are set as low or off. By using command digital write W1I low and I varies from 0 to 0 indicates red LEDs, 1 indicates yellow and 2 indicates green. In each ways, all pins of each way are set as low or off. So this is the part of setup. Now we move to the second function, loop function. In way 1, green LED of way 1 is high and red LEDs of all other ways are high for 5 seconds. Digital write W1 to high, W2 0 0 indicates for red of way 2 high, W30 high, way 40 that is red high. For 5 seconds I have used delay 5000. This indicates 5 seconds remain on all these LEDs. Then low LED of way 1 is high and red LEDs of all other ways are high for 2 seconds. For this I have used this code delay 2 seconds and same work is done for each way. For way 2 again green LED of way 2 is high and other red LEDs of all other ways are high for 5 seconds. Yellow LED of way 2 is high and red LEDs of all other ways or route are high for 2 seconds. So this is the code for way 2. Similarly for way 3, green LED of way 3 is high and red LED of all other ways or route are high for 5 seconds. Yellow LED of way 3 is high and red LEDs of all other ways or route are high for 2 seconds. So this is the code for way 3. Similarly for way 4, green LED of way 4 is high and red LEDs of all other ways are high for 5 seconds. For this I have used this code. Yellow LED of way 4 is high and red LEDs of all other ways are high for 2 seconds. After that I have made all LEDs off. Then it will again repeat the all ways from way 1 to way 4. So this is the code for 4-way traffic control signal. Pin connection. For this I have shown here. Arduino ground pin is attached with short pin of all LEDs. For way 1, Arduino pin 13 is attached with long pin of red LEDs. Pin number 12 is attached with long pin of green LEDs and 11 number pin of Arduino is attached with long pin of yellow LED. For way 2, Arduino pin number 10 is attached with long pin of red LED, 9 number pin is attached with long pin of green LED and 8 number pin is attached with yellow LEDs with long pin. For way 3, pin number 7 is attached with long pin of red LED and 6 number pin of Arduino is attached with long pin of green LED and 5 number pin is attached with long pin pin of yellow LED. For way 4, pin number 4 of Arduino is attached with long pin of red LED. 3 number pin of Arduino is attached with long pin of green LED, and 2 number pin is attached with long pin of yellow LED. These are the pin connections for this 4-way traffic signal. To make circuit simple, I haven't used resistor, but in real life we use resistor with this long pin. One resistor of 220 or 330 ohm is attached with this long pin, similarly for each LED. And this is the pin connection. 13 number pin, red number, is attached with long pin of red LED, and short pin is ground with this ground connection, and similarly 12 number pin is attached with long pin of yellow, and 11 number pin is attached with long pin of green LED. All short pins are ground with ground number. The ground of all LEDs must be common, otherwise it will not work. Here this LED is attached with this long pin of red LED, and load the program on Arduino IDE. The same program is loaded here. After loading the program, I verify it by clicking this right button at top left. Program is verified. There is no error. So I upload this program on Arduino. Before uploading the program, we check the board is Arduino UNO. If it is not Arduino UNO, then I select this Arduino UNO by using this option, Arduino UNO. And second point, again I check the port. To check the port, I click on port, then it will show the port with which Arduino board is attached. If these two are okay, then upload the program. To upload this program, I click this right arrow at top left. Uploading start. It is uploaded. We check the connection. I have attached all the LEDs and other components with our Arduino. First, the ground pin of Arduino is attached with this breadboard, and one connection is connected with this horizontal row to make ground common. And since this breadboard is divided into two parts, half part is connected in series and half part is connected with both parts. I have attached this one in series. Similarly, in other side, I have also attached this both part in series by using this jump. Now, all short pin of all the LEDs are connected with this ground horizontal. Similarly, the all short pin of LEDs are connected with this ground, that is connected in series. I have used 4 ways. This one is the first way, this is the second way, and this is the third way, and this one is the fourth way. That is, this one is the first route, second route, third route, and fourth. I have made one diagram here. I place this Arduino board to show the different ways or route. This is for first route, second route, third route, and fourth route. LEDs, that is long pin of all LEDs, are connected with as I have shown in slide. So after uploading the program on Arduino, I supply the power to this. Wave 1 green on, other red LEDs on, yellow on, other 3 LEDs red on, yellow, green, all 3 red, yellow, all 3 red, fourth route, green, all 3 red, yellow. I have taken blue in place of yellow because I have no fourth yellow LED, and it will rotate. Green on, rest 3 LEDs on, yellow, rest 3 LEDs red, green, rest 3 red, yellow, rest 3 red, green, rest 3 red, yellow, rest 3 red, green, rest 3 red, yellow, rest 3 red, green, rest 3 red, and it will continue. Thank you.